Hi, in this lesson I will show you how to pass some values from vertex to the fragment shader. To do this you can go into the vertex shader and I will create new hard-coded array of values, this time for the colors. We have each corner of the triangle have a different color and I will set those to be full on red, full on green and full on blue. These are vectors of course for RGB and alpha. To pass a value for the current corner, then we can set this layout with a location 0. The location helps specify the binding between the shaders, since you can set the out variable of the vertex and the in variable of the fragment to have different names. So we create out vec4 and name it vertex color. Then we set the vertex color below the position to the hard-coded color for the current vertex index. We can now copy this for the fragment shader and just change it to be an in parameter. This in parameter binds to the same location as the out of the vertex, and we can now set the out color to this color. Building this and running, it will result in a colorful triangle. You might wonder why it's rendered as a gradient. This is because the vertex shader works with just the corners, and before these corners are passed to the fragment shader, the graphics pipeline will rasterize the pixels inside the triangle. And each pixel will get a value for the corner color that is mixed based on the distance from that corner.